How to change Netflix kid account to normal account. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can change your kid's Netflix account to all maturity account. Now the process is actually quite simple. I won't be able to show you particularly, but I'll just guide you. What you can do is you can head into your browser there, and on the browser you can log into your account on netflix.com. Now there, once you log in, what you want to do is open up the profile that you want to choose the mode for, and there what you want to do is on profile and parental control settings. There what you want to head into manage. Now open the profile and parental control settings for the profile you want to manage, and then what you want to do is you want to change the viewing restriction settings, and there what you want to do, it'll ask you for Netflix password. You want to enter in your password, and from there you want to set the maturity rating label for the TV shows and movies you want to allow in that profile. So this way you can change Netflix kid account to normal account. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.